Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT app for beginners step by step. Whether you're completely new or just curious about how it works in 2025, this tutorial will help you get started fast. Okay, let's get started. First, just download the ChatGPT app from the Play Store if you don't have it yet on your phone. And once it's installed, just open it up and you can sign in using your Google account or your another email account. It's super easy. And then after logging in, you will see the main chat screen like this. At the bottom, there's a text box or prompt box where you can type your questions or message. That's where the magic will happen. And then now just try typing something simple like, for example, like this. Like this. As you can see, ChatGPT will reply instantly with helpful answer like this. Just ask anything that you want. You can also ask it to write essays or generate captions, create scripts, or even help with coding. In here, you can see a code feature to help you with coding. And then even it can analyze images, analyze data, help you make a plan, summarize text, and maybe can help you brainstorm an idea and many more. And then next in 2025 versions of ChatGPT also support voice and image input. Just tap on microphone icon to talk instead of typing. It's great when you're multitasking. And then if you and then just tap on plus button. In here you can upload photos that you get from your device or your camera directly, or you can also upload files like maybe a document that you want to analyze with ChatGPT or another files. And then in here ChatGPT will also can create image or help you brainstorming with thinking and deep research. And then or you can also use a study and learn feature to help you learn some things. And okay, maybe that's it. You just learned how to use the ChatGPT app in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.